If you're setting up NordLayer for a remote or hybrid team, the process is designed to be centrally managed by an administrator while keeping onboarding simple for employees. A typical deployment looks like this. Create your organization by signing up for a NordLayer business account. 2. Configure identity and authentication, ideally using your existing identity provider such as Microsoft Entra ID, Google Workspace, Okta, or Oneligen with SSO and MFA. 3. Create teams, for example, engineering, finance, sales, and assign users to the appropriate groups. 4. Configure network access by creating virtual private network gateways, assigning dedicated IPs if needed, and defining which users or teams can access specific internal resources. 5. Invite users through the admin portal. They'll receive an email with instructions to install the NordLayer client and sign in. 6. Deploy the client to manage devices using your MDM solution if available, or have users install it themselves on Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, or Android. 7. Monitor and manage connections, activity logs, and security policies from the centralized control panel. NordLayer also supports several enterprise capabilities that are useful as your team grows. Integration with identity providers, Microsoft Entra ID, Google Workspace, Okta, Jump Cloud, and others. Team-based access policies, zero trust, network access, TNA controls, device posture checks, DNS filtering, and web protection. Site-to-site connectivity for offices or cloud environments. Dedicated gateways and dedicated IP addresses for organizations. With fully remote employees, enabling always-on virtual private network is worth considering. Administrators can enforce it organization-wide or for specific teams, preventing devices from accessing the internet outside the virtual private network if the secure tunnel disconnects.